Mike.
Yes.
What's up, homie?
What's going on?
What are you doing down here?
We did some side skirt stuff. We did some wheel test fitting stuff and
all that good stuff.
Enjoying the Soarer a little bit, a little Soarer life, a little automatic, little cruising life.
What is up, guys? So, you guys don't know Mike from Divine Media. You should know Mike, but if you don't, click the link in the description. That's his channel. Check it out. Today, Mike came down and showed me his Soarer for the first time. He imported this like a month and a half ago, and we put some side skirts on it. We tested some wheels. It looks sick. It's an awesome car. But now I actually have to start my damn day and do a few things. So, man, what am I doing today?
You are drift prepping pretty much.
I think so. So I'm pretty sure I'm drifting tomorrow, or at least on Sunday I'm definitely drifting. So we have to get the S13 ready, which means I probably just have to do an oil change and change some tires, which is sick.
Check the blinker fluid.
Check the blinker fluid and the muffler bearings, right?
Right, you can't go wrong.
And I want to play with E36 because I haven't got to drive it in the good weather. So, does that sound like a plan?
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
All right, let's go get some oil and redo this whole.
I see things.
Are you a sad boy, Mike?
Very sad boy.
Kobe. Oh. I think it's this one. So I use a Toyota filter.
Right.
Because it's a little bit bigger.
Right.
But I don't know what Toyota it came off of. This looks right.
Camry.
Come on, I didn't realize you were a furry.
Hey. I pulled in, I saw HP Logix here. I'm like, oh hey, and I'm like, that's Mike's car. I look inside, I see a tree walking around.
What do you get, huh?
Loctite, microfibers. No, because Drew's gonna use them all when I'm not there.
Time for our third coffee.
Yeah.
Chip, you can take my stuff home. Thank you very much. Oh, we balled out, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Friday. Yeah.
Time for 7 more fucking coffees. And an iced tea.
Yeah, I got iced tea. I'm trying to wean myself off. Tried to wean myself off, and I ended up just like replacing all my coffees with Red Bulls, and it really is not a good compromise.
No, it's not at all.
Iced tea, next best thing.
Yeah.
Trying to live my life the right way.
1 Dunkin's iced tea at a time.
1 Dunkin' iced tea at a time. What the fuck? Hey. Be-all's here. Alright, so the last drift event I was at, I didn't film for the day, so I don't have no footage of it, but my drain plug literally stripped as I pulled it off the trailer. Stripped the night before and I didn't realize it, and I had to go to the parts store. No one sells a drain plug in this size. I should have ordered it, I completely forgot. So what I have in my oil pan right now is, you're gonna see. Any day now. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. Look at that drain plug.
Unnecessary.
No funnel. I'm even scared. Oof. Love it. Wanna go for a test drive?
Sure.
My tires might be belted, so we might not get far. Woo! Those tires are wet! Wow, this feels fast today. I thought you'd be mad if I didn't do that.
I know you were aiming for where my car was like 10 minutes ago.
The no ball valve life.
I need that fucking sound.
Just take your ball, we'll cap your recirc valve. Anyways, so we've been doing the annoying stuff that no one likes to see, and that was like alignment stuff, bolt checks, everything. My alignment was way off. We fixed it. It feels a lot better now, so that's cool. I really skunked myself because I forgot to pick up the tires from the UPS store today. They showed up, so luckily I'm getting hooked up heavy by a Jip. Jip has these off his hatch, same spec as those, the same company, and then these are the tires I usually drift with, the Kendas, and these are literally brand new. And Jip's not using these, so I'm just gonna refund him a tire, and we'll be straight. Jip stays today. I'm kind of pumped to see how these look. I mean, they're kind of cheap racy wheels, but they might look good.
Got some big lips on.
Yeah, she got some fat doink lips on them. Actually, kind of pumped how these are gonna look. Yep. Will it fit? Oh, it's beautiful.
That's awesome.
Actually, the lip is kind of cool, especially since for a stock body I can never run a big lip.
Yeah, that is actually sweet.
No, I think it looks good. I'm actually really happy with that. This tire went flat. I mean, we went for a test drive. Oh yeah, it's completely flat.
Oh, it deep-beated on the back.
Oh yeah. You know, it didn't chunk it. Oh yeah, no, it chunked pretty bad.
No, this side's pretty bad.
This happened in a third gear pull, by the way. It
was sweet.
Well, the car is finally on the trailer. It took me quite a long time, but we're there. Trying to get ready for a drift event by yourself is a lot of work. There's so much shit. My ass gets kicked every night before a drift event. So if you guys don't know, Staggered Auto Show is this weekend. It's at basically the same location as a Biggie. If you're from the Northeast, you know what that is. You should check it out. I'll put the link in the description. It's on Sunday. I'll be drifting. There's a drift demo. It's a car show, and it's like my favorite car show of the year. So make sure you guys head down there and say hi. But Jip's got some motivation. He's trying to get his car all icy for the car show. Dude, you spent all day polishing 2 wheels.
I got 2 more to go.
Dude, these things look brand new.
Better than they were.
Bro. Didn't Drew polish these ones? I've never seen these wheels this clean.
He polished the rears, but he just left brake dust on them. Idiot.
You did a great ass job, Jip.
Thank you.
Stay motivated.
Trying.
So tomorrow I'm drifting. It's a practice session for Sunday, and Sunday's like a drift demo at the show that I'll be in. So if something happens tomorrow, it's not a big deal. I'll recuperate myself late at night and then be good for the next day. So we're all good. I'm not gonna overthink it. So it's kind of late, but I don't feel like going home yet. So I'm gonna be productive and to get something done on the E36, and that is the thermostat. Now, if you guys remember on the dyno, I was overheating a lot, and the thermostat would randomly open if it got really hot, then it'd close again. We're just gonna take it out. It's not really a big problem since my car is electronically controlled fan, so it can control the temp with the fan on the Mega Squirt, so it's not a big deal. Right, P?
You're not driving this thing in the winter.
All right, this could potentially be not that bad. Or it could, it's gonna be a mess though. I already know it. Come on, what size is this? Come on. This thing does not want to come off. Oh man, what a mess. There's the culprit. Oh boy. I hate coolant so much. It is always such a god dang mess, but we're good. So now we're just gonna, so if you guys don't know what a thermostat is or what it does, this is one right here. They kind of all look the same. It actually blocks the coolant going into your engine until it gets up to desired operating temp of the thermostat, and the thermostat will actually open up to allow coolant to go through and then cool down the engine, trying to keep the engine at one consistent temp, because engines like to run at a certain temperature, usually around 185 degrees, 195 degrees. Some cars run hot, but all right, she's back in there. Oh, RTV'd. Gonna wait, you know, like a half hour, tighten the bolts. You know, you're supposed to put, they always say 24 hours before you put fluids on RTV, but literally no one waits. We'll give it an hour.
2-3 hours. Or 2-3 minutes.
I like that. I know all you techs out there watching this video are like, I put fluid in right away.
Well, what we do is, yeah, it's all BS. They just fucking.
So clearly I didn't get to do a lot today, but if I could solve this overheating issue on the E36 like right now, I'll feel accomplished for today. So hopefully this thing will turn on and we can get this thing up to operating temp. And now we wait. All right, Jip and I are just gonna go for a quick drive because I haven't got to drive it in the rain, not rain yet.
Not rain?
Not rain. You're gonna be the tuner, okay?
Okay, hold on. Let me fix your mapping right quick. What I do is I'm just gonna pull a little bit of timing in the fan map, so it kicks on at approximately 6 Fahrenheit. That's German, right?
All right, I'm excited. It's my first time really, like getting on it. All I know is this like super high diff Makes the gears super short, so it makes the car feel really quick.
It's smooth. Boogies, yeah.
It's smooth, yeah.
Dude,
But once I get Vanos hooked up, because Vanos isn't hooked up, it's gonna hit way
Oh
harder.
yeah,
It hits like NA horsepower.
Yeah, it feels like it has a V8 in it now, doesn't it?
kinda, yeah.
Yeah, it kinda
I
has-
know exactly what you're talking about.
Dude, when the Vanos comes in, or when the Vanos, like, when I get the Vanos working, it's gonna hit so much harder.
Dr. Vanos.
I have to still dial in the streetability, I guess you would call it, of the tune, because Derek only had time to do like the full throttle tune on it.
Classic drag racer shit.
First is so short.
I was gonna say,
That thing, don't beamers just float?
they do.
It's cool though because like, even if you let off the throttle at higher RPMs, the boost is still instant.
Yeah.
So it makes it just feel like I have more displacement. Not like, isn't that super weird?
It is weird.
It's like kind of messing with my head.
I'm just trying to get used to not driving right now in this position. I'm not used to that.
See if we can spin.
Is that second?
Yeah.
Dang. Well, it's super short, so that was like first and a half.
Everything still looks straight.
Every light just came on my dad. Oh, they're gone. German things, I guess.
Well,
Never got hotter than 180 or 170. So
Very good.
very good. Awesome. I feel accomplished for today.
Don's letting us know how good we did.
How good we do, Don? Yes, very nice.
Very good, very good.
All right, E36 officially hits first dry run, and it definitely, for 240 horsepower, it actually feels a lot quicker than I thought, but I guess that probably has to do all with the diff. But didn't get too much done today, but it was still a fun day. Hung out with Mike Devine, worked on his car, did all of that stuff today, and then got ready for the drift event. So if you're watching this, I should be at the drift event. So wish me luck. Hopefully my car doesn't break. So I don't know. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Don.
Have a good night.